today I'm going to be showing you how to make the squishy. It's so adorable. Now look at these, but let me tell you why I can't show you how to make these. First, this because the blue stuff, the blue sprinkles ran out. Second, for this, it's because what's it called? I don't know. It just I saw it and then I made it. So I saw it and I added more tape and I added a face. So it just happened. It was supposed to be garbage, but so I don't know how to make it. But today we're gonna be showing you how to make this cute baddie. Okay, so we're gonna start off with some slime. Any slime. Make sure it's easy to squish and it's kind of soft. I would definitely recommend butter clouds because that's what I use. But I added, because you know how sometimes they're really dry when you first buy them. You should add lotion and water and it'll turn really soft and good. Okay. So now you're gonna add some tape onto it. I'll see you back when I add all of it on. Okay, back. You don't have to tape the whole thing. I just taped a little bit. Now you're gonna grab on some napkin. Soft, not hard. And then just add 2 layers. Okay, so now you're gonna see this and you're gonna want to tape it around. Here, I'll show you in a sec. Okay, so I bought some tape and you just put it around. Like this. Now you're gonna want to cut off the extra. Okay, so it's basically this part, just to show you if you didn't see. Okay, back. So it's basically until the tape. So now you're just gonna tape the whole thing around. I'll show you in a back. Oh, and by the way, if you want to be extra creative, you can always add some glitter onto the tape and then stick it, and then add another layer of tape on top of it so the glitter doesn't fall. Like this one. Okay, now if you're gonna want it to be round like this, you're gonna cut this thing. Okay, and then now you just tape this part around. Okay, after you're done, and by the way, it's based on how hard and how much layers your napkin is. But for extra, you can add a cute little face. Okay, and then you just put tape on top of it so the face doesn't wipe off. And that is it. This is how you make it. It is so cute. Okay, bye. I love you.